Hey guys, my name is Ashanwaz. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to connect the Canon M50 Mark II to your phone through Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. But first of all, you need to download an app for it to connect. It's the Canon Camera Connect. It's really easy to find on both platforms, Android as well on iOS. So, for storing the photos, you don't need to take out the camera lens. You just need to power on the camera. Now, go in Menu. Once you reach in menu, there's an option over there, wireless settings. It means you can transfer your photos from the camera to the phone through Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. So the photos over here which we are going to transfer is directly going to get stored in our phone's gallery. Now we are going to transfer a photo of a car to the phone. Go to menu and click on the wireless settings. There's an option with the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, and even aeroplane mode. Click on the connect to smartphone and then click on add a new device. Now when you came on this option, if you don't have the app, you can just scan the QR code by just clicking on iOS or Android, which phone are you using. So just in case, if you click on iOS, the QR code pops out. Scan it using your phone's camera and it's the same app which we are going to use. Now click on the connect to Wi-Fi. You will see two codes over here. One is the password and the second is the name. Now there is an option over here for scanning, but it will not start until you connect it to the Wi-Fi. So go to settings and click on the Wi-Fi option. Click on the name of the camera or the code which has been given below. Then type the password which has also been given. TY0 and so and so. It changes every single time. And now it has been connected. Once it gets connected, use the scan option and you will see the name appearing. Now, on the camera, the connected protocol which pops out, you have to just confirm it. After this step, you are successfully connected and you can transfer any photos or video from your camera to the phone. As I wanted earlier, and I even said I want to transfer a photo of a car from the camera's gallery to the phone's gallery. Now, click over here. Once you see, it's the same photos which has got synced up for my camera and my phone. But the only difference is all photos are being stored successfully in my camera but not in my phone. So take out any single photo you want and just click over here for download. There are two options, you can choose any one of it. And now the photo is being transferred. Once it's done, it takes 2 to 3 seconds to get it stored in the phone's gallery. Now you can see the photo of a car is being stored over here. This is the first way of doing it. The second way is through Bluetooth. Now I'm going to show you how to connect Bluetooth through your camera and take photos without touching the camera or even use it for recording. Let's take an example. The camera is on a holder over here and I'm standing somewhere over there. I can't reach there every single time. Plus, I have to pause and start the recording. Now, I use my hands to take a shot, but I can do it through Bluetooth without touching the camera also. Do the same things as I said earlier. Go in menu, wireless settings, click on all the single options. Once you reach at a stage where you see Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, click on Bluetooth connections. Now, it will show you a pop-up. What does this pop-up mean? If you connected the camera earlier through Bluetooth, it may happen that the stored memory or the stored name of the camera is still there in the list. So go to your phone setting, click on Bluetooth connections. Once you reach over there, search the name of the camera or the device from which you have been connected forget the device. Now you're fresh at start. Now, if you try doing it again, you are successfully connected through Bluetooth. As I said earlier, I'm going to show you how to take a photo without clicking on the camera. Now, click on Bluetooth remote controller. Once you click it over here, on the phone you see a small circle. When you click on it, there are two options. First, for camera, and second for recording. Make sure that on the camera the mode has been selected. You can focus it anytime, and when you click on the button, it takes a photo of it, and it also gets stored at the same time. Sometimes it may happen you are not focusing it well, or the focal length is too close so the camera can't capture it. And it may also happen that once there's some problem in the connection, you have to sync it back again. But this time you don't need to delete or forget the device name in the settings. Just go over there and get connected, or you can even scan the option. So, if you like this video, hit a thumbs up, and thank you for watching till the end.